Hi friends, so finally we have reached 1 lakh kilometer in ISUZU D-Max Escape. So this is my ISUZU vehicle. So now we are in the Tamilnadu Karnataka border. So just a few kilometers away we are from Karnataka border. So I'm just happy to announce that we have reached 1 lakh kilometer in ISUZU D-Max. So most of the kilometer I have traveled for business purpose. So lots of traveling made me a perfect person. Like I have traveled a lot throughout the India, through buses, train and car, everything I have traveled, and I have learned a lot of experience from this. And I'm happy to share this video because most of the kilometer I have driven for my business purpose. So while traveling for business purpose, you have some reason and you have some aim in your life. So that made me a better man, better person. So I'm just happy to share this video with you because right now I have reached around like 1 lakh kilometer within 3 to 3.5 years. Like I just reached 1 lakh kilometer. So in my ISUZU D-Max, so now near to the Karnataka border. So I'm just happy to share this video with you because I'm just really feeling proud because I have traveled around like 1 lakh kilometer by using my vehicle for business purpose. So I'm just happy to share this video with you. Thank you friends. Keep supporting me.